In front of me is Huawei MatePad 12X, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Before we begin, quick disclaimer. To set up face recognition, you need to have screen lock already on, or your device won't let you add face data. So if you have your screen lock ready, you can go into settings and scroll to click on Biometrics and password. Now tap on face recognition and enter your current login method. Finally, choose Add Facial Profile at the bottom. Tap on this switcher next to Raise to Wake to enable or disable this option, and when you're ready, hit Get Started. Remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. If you want to, you can click Rename and type in whatever you want to. And as you can see, your facial profile will be here. You can always add another one the same way. So now when I go back, switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!